class, we are going to look at a new subtopic, which is 6.3.3, is solving problems involving the surface area of three-dimensional shapes. So basically for problem solving questions, okay, the question will give you a combination of two solids and it will ask you to find the total surface area of the whole solid. Okay, so let's look at the example given in the textbook. So this is the question. Okay, so the question gives you an object, okay, made up of a pyramid and a cube. As you can see here, a combination of a pyramid and a cube. The height of the object is 11 centimeter. Calculate the surface area of the object. State your answer in millimeter square. Meter square, meter square. Okay, so to answer problem solving question, okay. Okay, to answer problem solving question, okay, firstly you need to understand the problem. So what the question wants us to find? So it wants us to find the surface area of a combined three-dimensional shape. Maksudnya total surface area this whole object lah. Okay, gabungan antara piramid dengan cube ni. And then you need to plan the strategy. So you need to identify, okay, the shapes involved. Okay, for this question we know already. Okay, shape yang terlibat adalah piramid dan juga cube. And then identify the surface area formula for each shape. So kamu dah you have learned in previous lesson kan, formula untuk nak cari surface area for the shapes, right? Okay, so when you plan the strategy, then next is you need to implement the strategy. So the shapes involved, kamu dah tahu adalah pyramid and cube, right? Then you need to know the formula to find the surface area for each of these shape. So untuk pyramid, okay, firstly cube dulu. So kamu dah tahu to find the surface area of a cube, okay, what is the formula? Since cube is made up of square, right? So what is the formula to find square? The area of a square.
Length times width.
Yeah, length times width, right? So length times width. But we know that for a cube, it has 6 square, right? So why it is written 5 here instead of 6?
Because one of it is covered by the pyramid.
Yeah, right. So untuk permukaan dalam objek ni, kita tak kira, okay, yang ni. Okay, we do not count it. So let's say you draw the net. Okay, memang ada 6, but since this surface area, okay, yang atas ni, cube yang atas ni, kita tak kira sebab dia dalam objek ni. So that's why we only write 5 instead of 6. Okay, remember, surface area yang dalam inside kita tak kira, okay? So kita kira yang luaran je. So ada 5. So that's why 5 times surface area of cube, length times width. And then plus 4. Why 4? Because pyramid dia punya neck macam ni kan. Okay. So since the base of this pyramid is inside this object, so that's why we do not count it. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 triangles. So that's why 4 times formula for area of triangle 1/2 times base times height, right? Alright, so kamu dah tahu length untuk tube ni adalah dah diberi, it is given 5 cm. What about the width? Lebar dia, since square has the same length, right, for each side, so of course this is also 5 cm. So length times width, 5 times 5. Then plus 4 times 1/2 times base of this triangle. Kita dah tahu sini 5. So of course sini pun 5 kan. So sini pun 5. Sini pun 5. So semua 5. So kita dah tahu 5. So the base of the triangle is 5 cm. What about the height? Where does 6.5 come from? So it is mentioned in the question that the height of the object is 11 cm, right? So ketinggian keseluruhan objek ni adalah 11 cm. So since you already know the height of this cube is 5, so 11 minus 5 you will get 6, right? So where is the height of a pyramid? Is it this one? No, there is not the height of a pyramid. So kalau kamu tengok sini, kita zoom sikit. So height of pyramid adalah yang ni. Ni yang ni. Dia punya upright height dia, not the slant height, ketinggian condong. So 6 tu adalah yang ni. 11 minus 5 you will get 6. So 6 ni yang ni lah. Okay, upright height dia yang akan membentuk 90 degree with the base. Okay, tu adalah ketinggian untuk piramid. So kamu dah tahu ketinggian untuk piramid ni 6. Okay, so to find the height untuk triangle yang ni, okay, ni adalah dia punya slant height. Okay, kalau kamu buka bentangan piramid ni, okay, ni dia punya slant height dia kan. So kalau kamu buka bentangan, you draw a net for this pyramid, okay, slant height dia adalah di sini. So slant height untuk this pyramid is actually the height of this triangle. Okay, jangan tersilap. Okay, so yang ni kamu dah tahu dia adalah slant height of this pyramid. So yang ni 6 dan S, then you can use Pythagoras theorem to find the height of the triangle, which is this S. So kalau kita keluarkan yang ni, triangle ni, okay, dia akan jadi macam ni. So kamu dah tahu 6 cm comes from the upright height of the pyramid, and then 2.5 ni comes from, okay, since kamu dah tahu total yang ni adalah 5, so of course if you divide 8 by 2, okay, yang ni dapat 2.5, yang ni dapat 2.5, so that's why yang ni 2.5. So that's why kamu dapat 2.5 dekat sini. And then ni adalah S dia. So kita nak cari S. So gunalah Pythagoras theorem. So formula for Pythagoras theorem adalah C square equal A square plus B square, right? So C dia adalah S. And then A dengan B ni tak kisah, 6 boleh, 2.5 pun boleh, so mana-mana. So kita ambil A ni adalah 6 plus 2.5. So find S, square root of 6 square plus 2.5. Then you will get S 6.5 cm. So since S is the height for the triangle, so sebab itulah dekat dalam ni dia tulis 1/2 times 5 times 6.5. So 5 ni adalah base dia. 6.5 ni adalah height dia. Untuk triangle tu. So kamu totalkan kedua-duanya. So 125 plus 65 you will get 190 centimeter square. Okay, so far until this step, do you guys understand or do you have any questions? Ataupun saya laju?
No, teacher
Do
can
you guys
understand.
understand? Can understand, huh? What about the others? Ataupun ada yang tengah tidur sekarang?
Can teacher can
Dia
understand.
masuk Google Meet. Okay, alright. Okay, so this is not the final answer since the question wants you to find to give the answer in meter square, right? Yeah. So macam mana kamu nak convert? So you already know that, okay, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, right? Okay, so in order to convert centimeter square to meter square, okay, start with what you know. So you know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So this is the key. Since we want meter square and centimeter square, okay, we need to produce meter square and centimeter square from this. So and the only way to do that is to square both sides. It is allowed to square both sides. So when you already square both sides, okay, so 1 square you will get 1. M square you get M square lah, meter square. And then 100 square you will get 100 times 100. And centimeter square you will get centimeter square. So 1 meter square we get 10,000 centimeter square, right? Okay, so 1 meter square equal to 10,000 centimeter square. So kita nak convert 190 centimeter square. So use this as the reference to convert. Nak convert berapa tadi? 190 centimeter square. So since centimeter square is on the right side, so right centimeter square yang ni 190 centimeter square ni on the right side as well. So 190 centimeter square berapa meter square? So kamu cross multiply saja. Okay, let's say yang ni kamu unknown kan, so we replace this with x. So kamu akan dapat cross multiply x times 10,000 you will get 10,000 x. Ni cross multiply akan dapat 190. So x equal 190 divided by 10,000. So jawapan dia kamu akan dapat 0.019. 0.019 meter square. So that's how you convert. You just cross multiply. Okay. So this is the answer. The final answer. Okay. So far so good. Do you have any questions?
No teacher, so far so good.
Okay. Okay, so for today, I'm only going to teach you this subtopic, okay, solving problems. Saya tak nak masuk volume lagi. So next topic will be volume of 3-dimensional shapes. So look at self-practice 6.3. So this will be your homework. So question 1 and question 2, you guys already learned in previous lesson kan, how to find the surface area of 3-dimensional shapes. So semua bentuk ni adalah bentuk yang mudah untuk kamu cari surface area. Okay, cone, cylinder, ni prism, sphere. Okay, for question 3 ni adalah for today's topic. Okay, calculate the combined surface area of the following three-dimensional object. So let's look at A. So A ni, this is a hemisphere, right? So to find the surface area of hemisphere, the formula is 3 pi r square. So, kamu boleh catat dekat buku kamu tu. So later, bila kamu nak cari total surface area, just use this formula to find the surface area of this hemisphere. So it is 3 pi r square. What about this cylinder? Okay, remember? Okay, dia punya net untuk cylinder macam ni kan? Okay, so since this circular shape, it is inside this object, right? So kamu tak boleh kira yang ni. Satu je kira. So yang ni adalah pi r square. Yang ni length and width untuk this rectangle 2 pi r kan. Since this length of this rectangle is actually the circumference of this circular shape pi r. So dia punya width dia adalah height kan. Height cylinder ni so berapa? Kamu carilah nanti. Okay, so remember surface area yang dalam ni kita tak kira sebab dia di dalam. Alright. So the same goes to B. Yang ni tak dikira dalam ni. And C pun yang dalam ni tapak hemisphere ni kita tak kira. Okay, so this will be your homework. For today. Okay.
Teacher Amira, let me interrupt.
Yes.
Okay.
Cikgu
Okay, sorry ya. Okay, can you show the page? Abang pergi sana. Okay, tunjuk balik yang page yang tadi. Okay, this one. Alright. Question number 3. Question number 3, the hemisphere. Okay.
yang ni yang cikgu.
Yes, okay, 3 pi r square is for the whole surface, okay? Whole surface means that the curved surface plus with the flat surface. Flat surface yang di bawah tu.
Oh, okay. Oh, so tak boleh guna lah yang ni kan?
Okay, so, okay, yeah. 3 pi r square is including the flat surface. Flat surface is bentuk dia kan circle. So nak dapatkan flat surface tu pi r square. Okay.
Oh, so kena minus pi r square.
Yeah. Okay, actually.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah. Okay, formula for sphere is 4 pi r square. So just divide by 2 lah. 4 pi r square divide by 2. Just now yang Cikgu Amirah tunjuk tu betul. Cuma that one is include the flat surface.
Okay, betul. Sorry, saya silap. Okay, so 3 pi r square minus pi r square. Sebab pi r square tu kan area of circle. So tapak hemisphere ni adalah circle. So you will get 2 pi r square. Okay, sorry. Saya tak perasan yang ni. So 2 pi r square. Okay, faham kan kamu? Kamu faham tak? Since sphere, okay, sphere dia punya formula surface area apa? 4 pi r square kan? So since hemisphere ni adalah half of this sphere, so just divide by 2 and you will get 2 pi r square. Okay, yang 3 pi r square ni tadi betul sebenarnya tapi dia including ni dia punya inside surface area dia ni. So kan saya cakap inside ni kita tak kira. So that's why 2 pi r square. Bukan 3. Okay, do you guys understand? Okay, boleh semua?
Can teacher.